Every journey of chocolate begins where cacao grows, under careful human hands. Only fully matured pods are selected, ensuring flavor begins at the source.
Inside each pod, cacao beans wait to be released from their natural casing.
Fresh beans are gathered for fermentation, the first step in developing chocolate's depth. Natural fermentation transforms raw bitterness into complex flavor.
Careful drying stabilizes the beans, locking in their character.
Once dried, cacao is ready to leave the farm and begin its industrial journey. With harvest complete, cacao begins its journey beyond the farm.
Each shipment is secured to protect quality during transport.
Traceability begins here, linking flavor back to its source. From remote farms, cacao moves toward industrial processing.
Logistics unite scattered harvests into a single supply chain.
The factory marks the transition from agriculture to precision manufacturing. Here, raw cacao enters a controlled world of modern production.
This facility transforms raw cacao into refined chocolate at scale.
Every movement here follows strict industrial flow. The factory interior sets the rhythm for processing. Raw materials are released under controlled supervision.
Mechanized handling protects both workers and product.
Material flow is designed for efficiency and traceability.
At intake, cacao officially enters the processing line.
Before processing begins, cacao is carefully introduced into the system.
Initial cleaning removes what nature leaves behind.
Air separation strips away unwanted particles with precision. Every safeguard protects both machinery and product integrity. Advanced sensors select only the best cacao. Uniform quality is achieved before processing continues.
Clean cacao now moves toward its first major transformation.
Roasting awakens the hidden aromas locked inside cacao. Controlled heat develops flavor with absolute precision.
Rapid cooling locks in the perfect roast profile.
Winnowing refines cacao down to its purest form. Grinding transforms solid nibs into flowing cocoa liquor.
From this liquid base, chocolate truly begins to take shape.
Precise blending balances flavor, texture, and sweetness.
Refining reduces particles to microscopic smoothness.
Time and motion refine chocolate's final mouthfeel.
Conching smooths sharp edges into harmony.
Controlled heat prepares chocolate for perfect structure.
Tempering aligns crystals for shine and snap.
With structure set, chocolate moves toward automation.
Automation ensures every mold begins exactly the same.
Controlled cooling stabilizes chocolate at scale. Temperature precision defines final texture. Machines release chocolate without human touch.
High-speed vision verifies perfection in milliseconds.
Automation brings consistency beyond human limits.
Now refined, chocolate approaches its final details.
Finishing removes imperfections invisible to most eyes. Surface refinement gives chocolate its signature gloss. Detail work is executed with machine-level accuracy. Every gram is verified before packaging. Precision spacing prepares chocolate for final inspection.
Human oversight confirms what machines prepare.
Before release, quality must be proven. Quality control begins where production pauses. Random sampling ensures consistency across every batch.
Structure and snap reveal correct crystallization.
Scientific measurement confirms processing accuracy.
Human senses validate what data supports.
Only approved chocolate is released forward. With quality assured, chocolate moves toward its final stage. Packaging protects flavor, texture, and freshness. Every seal is formed with mechanical precision. Traceability follows every bar to the shelf. Individual bars become retail-ready units.
Bulk packing prepares chocolate for distribution.
Automation builds stability and speed. Finished product is secured for storage.
Inventory waits in controlled conditions. Distribution begins at the dock.
From factory floor to global markets. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.